Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and as a mom who's always on the hunt for screen-free activities that actually hold my kids' attention, I'm always curious about new craft kits. Lately, one that's been getting a lot of buzz is the Taba Squishy Making Kit, and after hearing my daughter beg for it at the store, I decided to give it a try. At $16, it's not the cheapest option out there, but it promised hours of creative fun and a finished product they could actually play with, no small feat in our house. I'll be honest, I had my doubts. How hard could it really be to make a squishy? But what intrigued me was the idea of turning a simple craft into a mini project, something with steps, patience, and payoff. So, over a weekend with no plans and plenty of space on the kitchen table, we opened the box and got ready to make something silly, soft, and totally theirs. Let me tell you how it really went. The first time I let my kids dive into the Taba Squishy Making Kit, I'll admit, I was bracing for a disaster. Craft kits can go one of two ways. Either they're a magical explosion of creativity or a glue-covered nightmare. But this one, it actually hit that sweet spot between fun and manageable, especially for someone like me who likes creative play, but not the cleanup of Warzone level mess. What stood out right away was how everything came neatly packed in one box: molds, soft silicone material, paints, mixing tools, and even little sticks to use once your squishy is ready. I love that it felt complete and ready to go. No scrambling to find extra supplies. The molds themselves are adorable, cute little animals and shapes that spark instant interest. Even I caught myself getting excited as my 9-year-old picked out which squishy she wanted to make first. It felt like more than just a craft. It was a little experience for kids who love making something with their own hands. And honestly, watching them beam with pride after finishing one, totally priceless. One thing I really appreciated was how well it held their attention. Between school, screens, and after-school activities, it's not always easy to get my kids focused on something hands-on for more than 15 minutes. But the Taba Squishy Kit kept both my daughter and her cousin busy for a good hour or two, without them asking me for constant help. Now, the process does take time, especially when you factor in drying between layers. We started in the afternoon, layered the silicone, waited, painted, and finished up the next day. It wasn't an instant craft, more of a small project, but that actually worked in its favor. It gave them something to come back to, a sense of ongoing accomplishment. The drying time can stretch longer than expected. We definitely waited more than 45 minutes for some layers to firm up. But once it's set, the squishy texture was perfect, soft, bouncy, and satisfying in that way only squishies can be. There's a reason they're called stress relievers. I may have sneakily pocketed one for myself. Let's be honest, anytime you introduce paint in small kids, there's a moment of parental pause. But I was surprised by how well the paint held up. Once dry, it stayed put, even after days of squeezing and playing. I tested one myself by rubbing it hard, and no color came off on my hands. That gave me real peace of mind, especially since these little creations often end up in backpacks or at friends' houses. The paint colors are vibrant and fun, and the kids love swirling and mixing them for custom designs. That said, the paint containers? A bit of a struggle. They're all in one connected strip, like those old school timber cakes, and some were stiff to open. We ended up needing a butter knife to pry a few open, which wasn't ideal. And don't let little fingers try to force them. They might break. That's a small design flaw, but it's worth mentioning because it could frustrate younger kids. Still, once the paint was out, the decorating part was a total joy. It felt like edible art, but for stressed toys. I've given a few craft kits as gifts before, and this one is definitely one I'd recommend, especially for birthdays or Easter. There's something nostalgic, yet fresh about it. It's not just another toy you toss after a week. These squishies are soft, well made, and actually hold their shape over time. I've seen some cheaper versions fall apart after a few days, but these seem like they'll last. We made 6 in total, 3 per kid, and each one turned out uniquely cute. One looked like a sleepy sloth, Another like a sparkly unicorn, pure imagination fuel. And the fact that both kids and adults can enjoy it? Bonus points. My husband even tried his hand at one and got weirdly competitive about who made the smoothest finish. Spoiler, my daughter won. This isn't just for kids who love crafts. It's great for curious minds who enjoy watching something transform from liquid goo to a soft, squishy treasure. Now, I wouldn't say this is a mess free activity. Let's not pretend. There's mixing, pouring, and some paint spill risk. I definitely recommend doing this at a table with a protective cover or outside if the weather's nice. We did ours on a plastic tray, and even then, a tiny bit of silicone oozed over the edge of a mold. Nothing major, but just enough to remind you this is a real craft, not a pretend one. That said, that little mess came with big rewards. The process actually taught the kids patience and precision. They learned to measure out the right amount, mix thoroughly, and wait. Asterisk, really asterisk wait, without rushing. That's a win in my book. But fair warning, I wouldn't give this to kids under 7 without close supervision. The small parts, the fine motor steps, and the drying time might be too much for little hands and shorter attention spans. It's ideal for ages 8 to 12, as the box says, maybe even older depending on the kid. As for value, I'll be honest, it's on the pricier side for a craft kit at $16. But considering you're getting materials for 6 quality squishies, plus paints and tools, it's not outrageous. We used every piece, and there was even a little extra material left over for experimentation. Compared to other kits that skimp on supplies, this one feels generous. Some might argue it's not worth it if everything doesn't go perfectly, like when one batch took way longer to dry, or the paint felt a bit clumpy in one container. But overall, we got what we wanted: fun, bonding, and finished products we're proud of. My daughter still shows hers off to friends. That kind of joy is hard to price, but if you're on a tight budget or want something ultra easy, this might not be the one. But if you're okay with a project that takes a little time, this kit delivers. In the end, what I love most is that this kit gave us time together without me doing all the work. I was there, yes, but more as a cheerleader than a project manager. They followed the instructions, figured out problems, and celebrated small wins. Mom, my squishy isn't sticky anymore. Moments like that make parenting feel rewarding. It's not flashy, but it's meaningful. Would I buy it again? Probably, but maybe just one for special occasions, not 3 at once. Though honestly, if you're looking for a gift that stands out, one that's creative, fun, and not just another plastic toy, this is a solid pick. Just grab some paper towels, set aside a few hours, and let the magic, mess and all, happen. If you're ready to trade screen time for squishy slime time, hit that like button and join our crafting crew. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on, mess-approved fun, because parenting wins come in all textures, especially squeezable ones. Let's make memories, one squish at a time.